That is how it is? Yes. Love you, Bim Bim. Yazık, yazık, yazık. Pull down. What are you cooking? You can mix it like this, Ada. So good. No, don't eat it yet. No, you're gonna get... You wanna do it this way instead? Wow, I'm Bebem. Is my Bebem cooking now? Okay, mix it. Yeah, mix it again. Wow, go mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Wow, galing naman. Oops, no tasting yet. Okay. How about you hold it? Are you my mini cook? No. Yay. Wow naman. Don't touch it. You might get burned. Yes. Are you stealing it all over? Yeah, you got burned. I'll help you. You got burned. Okay. Baby, you wanna get water? Me. Bim doesn't know how you do it. Don't put that much. You know, this is brown rice. Brown rice don't need that much water. That's good for now. You wanna mix it? Yeah, mix. Yum. You're just trying to steal. She's trying to steal the meat just like you. Okay, I think this is needed to be. Do you know where the lid is? You wanna click this? Here's the lid. Stop. It's ready to cook with the rice. You like? I'm gonna mix it again. Apritada ba to? It's called apritada now with rice. Yum. She's gonna try to eat that. She's gonna be burnt. The reveal. Yummy! Wow! Do you like your cooking? Is it worth it to wait? You fell asleep first. Come on.
The keys to the ship. They must have fallen into the crate.
Adin. Yummy.
It's gonna kill me.
She'll probably make me do it.
Mister, could you please get those keys out?